Did you know that these metal grease filters do come off and can be cleaned? Join me today as I tackle mine. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking. Today we're going to be cleaning the metal grease filters. So these are the metal grease filters. They come off and they do need to be cleaned. Some people say, it can do it every month or every 2 months, whatever is comfortable for you, but they definitely need to be cleaned. As you can see from mine, the whole area just needs to be cleaned. But just touching there, you can literally see, well, I can see that there's so much grease. So I'm just going to take them off and I'm going to give them a deep clean. So I think the whole hood and everything else that there needs a clean, as you can see. Some people do use put them in the dishwasher, but I'm going to be using the sink. I'm going to be cleaning mine in the sink. So you will need any degreaser of your choice. So this could be washing up liquid, elbow grease, whatever you choose to use. You can actually see the grease is coming off. That little patch over here, that's it literally dissolving. I had left these to marinate with the degreaser, I suppose, for about 10 minutes. So you can leave it longer if you want to, or less time, whichever way you choose, but that's what I did. And then I can literally now get my little scrubbing brush and I'm going to remove as much grease as possible. This is from the filters. This is all the buildup that has literally dissolved from them. So let's give everything a rinse. We are now going to rinse everything. So how does the grease get trapped in there? So basically when we're cooking and the greasy fumes get trapped inside the mesh, which is why they are sticky to touch. That's the grease that was collected essentially. And if not cleaned regularly, the extraction system won't work effectively, as the grass buildup will block the airflow. So it's very important that we get these to, to basically be cleaned as often as possible. I try to do mine maybe once a month when I can, but whenever you can really. if you are enjoying this video, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more content. If you like this type of videos, I will continue to do more. I'm going to leave everything to dry, and yeah, luckily today is a very sunny day, so these will dry in no time. But we just need to make sure that they're fully dry before we put them back on, which is what I am currently doing. And everything is clean and they are no longer sticky, so that is it. I'm very happy about that. So that's it for me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you found it to be helpful. You guys have a lovely day. I'll see you soon. Bye.